Friends, I am back again with the inside news of the automobile world. Today we will talk about the bike that bikers have been hugely excited about for the past few months, ZXMOTO 820 ADV. For those of you who were waiting for this bike, there is super hot news. China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology has officially revealed the production version of this bike in their 410th batch of new vehicle catalog. Now the question is, what is the difference between this and the prototype we saw earlier? And why should you keep an eye on this bike? Let's discuss the solid information. First, let's talk about the look of the bike. Remember last year when the engineering prototype of this 820 ADV came out? At that time, many were unhappy with its rally face or front look. It looked a bit odd. But in the production version that has now arrived, ZXMOTO has completely transformed it. An eagle-eye headlight has now been added to the front of the bike. In the middle, there is a shield-shaped panel that will basically act like a radar module. Besides, its front beak design is now much more solid and harmonious than before. If you like the look of the Benelli TRK series, you will definitely like this new 820 ADV, because its current design is very much in that style. The touch of red and black with a white base color gives it a very premium and mainstream adventure bike look. Now coming to the technical aspect, which is most important for a rider. This bike has an 819cc inline 3-cylinder engine. There is an interesting thing here that you need to know. You might know that the version of this same engine generates about 150 horsepower. But in this ADV version, the power has been reduced to 85 kilowatt or about 114 horsepower. Now a question might arise in your mind, why was the power reduced? As an insider, I would say it was not actually reduced, but rather tuned. High rev or high speed like a sport bike is not the main focus here. An adventure bike needs smooth low-end torque. It is reported that the low-end performance of this engine for climbing mountains or starting with a lot of luggage will be much better than the sport bike version. That means, when you do off-roading, the bike will provide you with much more control and power. Everyone has a curiosity about the price. According to current information, without the 3 boxes or panniers, the price of this bike could be around 45,000 yuan or around $7,000 in the Chinese market. At this price, it will hold a very strong position in the market. If we look at competitor bikes, we will see that the Kiwi 800X costs about 49,800 yuan or around $7,200. One and the ZXMOTO 800 meters T costs about 54,000 yuan or around $8,000. That means, if ZXMOTO releases this bike at $7,000, it will gain a major advantage in terms of price. And if everything goes well, this 820 ADV is scheduled to be officially launched at the upcoming Chongqing Motorcycle Expo in September. But there is a small but. Currently, ZXMOTO has a huge backlog of pending orders for the 820RR and 500RR models. So even if it is officially released, it might take some time for the bike to reach your hands. In short, for those looking for a powerful 3-cylinder ADV that looks good and is affordable, the ZXMOTO 820 ADV could be the best deal. That ugly previous look is gone, replaced by modern radar features and an eagle-eye design. What do you think? At $7,000, can this 114 horsepower 3-cylinder ADV make strong in the market? Let us know your opinions in the comments.